How to fix Windows 10 or 11 lagging or slow problem. So if you want to fix the Windows 10 or 11 lagging or slow problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Search for settings and open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with the privacy section. Go with privacy and security, and under privacy, you need to go with general section. Under general, here you need to turn off all of the options which are right here. Once you turn that off, after that, again go with the general section, or here you need to go with speech. Under speech, make sure that is turned off. After that, scroll down and you need to go with the app permissions, and you need to go with location and turn off the location, and go with camera, microphone, and everything, any options right here, all the options, and you just need to simply go and turn off the options. Once you turn that off, then you just need to simply go and restart, and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Windows 10 or 11 lagging or slow problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.